The affiliate marketing landscape is fiercely competitive, attention spans are dwindling, and the need to stand out from the crowd has never been greater. Are you tired of juggling multiple platforms, struggling with complex interfaces, and watching your conversion rates stagnate? If so, then it's time to discover System.io, the powerful affiliate marketing toolkit that will transform your approach and supercharge your earning potential. Imagine a streamlined solution that empowers you to create high-converting landing pages, capture valuable leads, automate nurturing email sequences, and even sell your own digital products, all within a single, intuitive platform. System.io eliminates the need for a tech degree and fragmented marketing strategies. This is a comprehensive solution designed to empower busy entrepreneurs like yourself to focus on what truly matters, building a loyal audience and promoting products you genuinely believe in. Here's why System.io is the missing piece in your affiliate marketing arsenal. Unleash the power of all-in-one efficiency. Ditch the days of wrestling with a disjointed toolbox of marketing software. System.io offers a consolidated platform featuring landing page builders, email marketing automation, sales funnel creation tools, webinar hosting capabilities, and even an integrated e-commerce store. This translates to a seamless workflow, increased productivity, and the ability to manage your entire affiliate marketing strategy from a single, centralized location. Drag and drop design for effortless creativity. Even if technical expertise isn't your forte, fear not. System.io boasts a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that empowers anyone to create stunning landing pages and sales funnels without writing a single line of code. Focus on crafting compelling content and irresistible offers that resonate with your audience. And let System.io handle the technical heavy lifting. Lead capture mastery. Building a robust email list is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. System.io equips you with a comprehensive suite of tools to capture high-quality leads and nurture them into loyal subscribers. We're talking strategic pop-ups, conversion-focused opt-in forms, and powerful built-in automation, all designed to transform website visitors into engaged followers, primed to convert through your affiliate links. Automation, your secret weapon for scalability. Time is a precious commodity in the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing. System.io has advanced automation features that are your secret weapon for maximizing efficiency. Schedule automated email sequences to nurture leads, send personalized welcome messages, and even follow up with abandoned carts. This allows you to work smarter, not harder, while fostering strong relationships with your audience and driving conversions. Scale to affiliate superstardom. System.io is designed to grow alongside your ambitions. Whether you're a one-person affiliate team or a marketing powerhouse with a dedicated crew, System.io offers scalable plans to meet your evolving needs. Plus, with features like membership sites and online course creation capabilities, you can even leverage the platform to diversify your income streams by developing your own digital products alongside your affiliate promotions. System.io is more than just an affiliate marketing tool. It's a complete business suite designed to empower you to dominate the online arena. If you're ready to streamline your workflow, skyrocket your conversions, and unlock your full earning potential, then System.io is the missing piece you've been searching for. Remember, building trust and providing genuine value to your audience is the key to long-term success in affiliate marketing. Partner with products you believe in, craft high-quality content that resonates with your followers, and watch your affiliate marketing journey flourish with the power of System.io by your side.